Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez and today I have a quick DIY for you. Today we are going to be doing this mini greenery wreath. The supplies needed are a wreath form. This one is a rattan wreath, and then a floral pick, your scissors, hot glue, and I did get my wreath form from the 99-cent only store, but you can buy them from Dollar Tree and just different places. My greenery pick right here is a stem bundle, I believe is what it's called, from Target, and it is the Hearth and Hand line. And now all you're going to do is separate it because the 3 individual picks come wrapped around. This floral pick is very full. I love it. I only end up using 2 of the picks and then just remove one of the little individual leaf bundles, and all I'm going to do is hot glue them onto my wreath form. I do eventually take it off and put it in some of the wire that is wrapped around my wreath form, and that's literally all you have to do. It's a very easy and very inexpensive. This project cost me $4 to do, and I am going to be making a second one because I end up hanging it up on my kitchen cabinets, and that's why I chose it to be this small. This wreath form again is about 6 inches, and again this is really easy to do with a really high payoff because it looks really well. It looks high quality. As with all my DIY projects, these are customizable to your liking. Hearth and Hand did have different bundles of these. They had a mint one, which I love. They had some that looked more like eucalyptus and sage, and then this one I believe is called sedum, and I even had a little extra piece. So this is the end of this DIY. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is super easy. Tag me if you recreate it. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.